how to develop a world-class lead generating sales development representative team, SDR team.
Welcome to the Sales Transformation Podcast, live out of Miami, Fort Lauderdale, with your host, Victor Arocho. If you haven't yet, please follow me on Twitter at VArocho.com or VArocho. Also on YouTube, you can go to Victor Arocho, or you can head over to VictorArocho.com. That's VictorArocho.com.
Today's guest hosts, I have the pleasure of having David Krieger. He is the founder and president of Sales Roads, a business-to-business appointment setting, lead generation, and sales outsourcing company. What do you see is your biggest challenge in sales, and not necessarily your challenge in your company, but challenge you see in company sales, maybe some challenges you have in your company, right? Whether you're hiring people or finding the right people, but also the challenges you see in companies or talking or speaking with companies that just don't understand the value of you're paying an account manager, a sales representative, director of sales, X amount of dollars, but you're not helping them tee up a bunch of revenue.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I think so first, I think the biggest challenge that I see in sales, and I think it's been ubiquitous. I mean, it's since I started my first inside sales team, which was in '99. I was hired by the VP of sales at an internet startup, and he said, "Listen, go start our inside sales team." I didn't even really know what an inside sales team was at that time, but I learned how to do it. And so even during that boom time, and we see it even more today, especially in the SDR function, is that this is a very hard job. Right. So to do intelligent cold prospecting is tough. It's tough to figure out how to do it right. It's tough to have the patience because it takes a long time to have wins. Right. And it can be a frustrating process for the wrong type of person. It can be exhilarating for the right type of person. And so finding that right person, we see with our clients, and we see internally, is a big challenge. So what we've done to address that challenge internally is we've invested heavily in HR, in finding those right types of people and understanding who those right people are. We have a very rigorous interview and testing process. And so we've really invested in trying to find the right types of folks. And then more than that, but we've invested in the culture and the type of company that we have to make it the type of company that these folks want to work at, and make it a place where we attract talent and we attract people, and we don't look at these individuals as commodities, because they are the last thing from a commodity. So that's a big challenge. And then the other thing that we found at our clients, we don't have this because it's a little bit different in agency, is that it's really hard to find a really good SDR. And so what happens is they'll hire people, and a lot of times they don't work out, right? So there's to do this right, you have to train a lot, you have to coach a lot, you have to invest in the people, and then a lot of times they don't work out. So all of a sudden you've spent all this time, money, recruiting them, training them, coaching them, if you're doing it right, and they don't work out. Then there's the small segment that work out. And a high percentage of those, after about a year and a half, want to get promoted to be an account executive, and then they move out. So this function, unlike almost anything I've seen, is a revolving door for good and for bad. And that is one of the biggest challenges that our clients who've tried to do it internally have said, listen, it's just too much. This is too much of a revolving door. And so that's one of the things that we really try to bring to the table for our clients, is being able to find those folks, but then our retention rate is extremely high. To be able to keep those folks, because we're investing in their training, we're investing in their growth, and we want to make sure they stay with us. And that's one of the things we've been able to solve, and we feel is a big challenge out there in the marketplace.
If you haven't yet, please follow me on Twitter at VArocho.com or VArocho. Also on YouTube, you can go to Victor Arocho, or you can head over to victorarocho.com. That's VictorArocho.com. Everybody have a great selling week. And remember, transformation trumps motivation.